What's one thing you'd like to learn about wealth or investing? Let me know in the comments below. I've never met someone working 2 or 3 jobs who was actually better off. All you're doing is losing more sleep and getting more stressed out. One big myth is that working harder will make you successful. We're trading hours for dollars. You go to work and get paid, but what do rich people do? They're not just working for wealth, they're using wealth to buy their time back. They invest and use wealth wisely. Learning about wealth can change everything. If you understand wealth, you can earn more and live better. You don't need a special job to be financially stable. People are afraid to talk about wealth because they feel insecure and don't understand it. Become financially healthy is as important as physically, mentally, and spiritually. If you're not good with wealth, it makes everything harder because you can't pay your bills. But if you have wealth but nothing else, you can still be unhappy. Wealth makes you more of who you are. If you're good, more wealth lets you do more good. If you're bad, more wealth lets you do more bad. When I taught my friends about investing, I told them, you need to own things to build wealth. If you don't own anything and just spend, you can't create wealth. If you don't teach your kids to own things, they'll stay consumers too. If no one breaks this cycle, everyone keeps living paycheck to paycheck. They think they can't be rich because they've never seen it. So they keep working hard and spending wealth to feel better. It seems pointless to save when paying bills is already hard. Big events make us spend even more and end up broke. We struggle with wealth because we don't understand it. But another group of people knows about wealth and teaches it, breaking the cycle and building wealth. If you want to start building wealth and break the cycle, start by learning about wealth and investing. Subscribe to my channel for more motivational tips on financial education and taking control of your financial future.